मैं ममता वीरेंद्र हांडा, मेरी एज 42 है और मैं बहुत बड़ी बीमारी से गुजरी हूँ। मेरा वेट 175 था, इससे मैं चल फिर नहीं सकती थी, सिर्फ बेड पे ही थी। मैं अपने बच्चों को संभाल नहीं पाती थी, अपने हस्बैंड को नहीं संभाल पाती थी।
मेरा नाम मोतीलाल चुग है। मैं बहुत हैवी डायबिटिक पेशेंट था। I was 168 kgs in the year 2008.
My name is Namrata Dadbhavala. I'm 39 years old. The beginning journey is like I was a very obese girl with weight of 160.
Actually, I was in 6th standard. I was not much mature to understand my mother's feeling, but her condition was like she was not able to walk, she was not able to even go to bathroom, she was not able to do anything.
Never used to go out because of the weights. No enjoying life completely. I stopped myself for every damn stuff.
मैं बहुत हैवी डायबिटिक पेशेंट था। I was under medication, heavy medication with injections and all daily. I used to take 36 units in the morning and 22 units in the evening.
You know, एक औरत ही होती है जो पूरे घर को संभालती है, उसका सराउंडिंग चेंज करती है, बट जब मम्मा ही अपनी खुद को संभालने के कंडीशन में नहीं थी तो फिर वो दूसरों को क्या देखती। शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट विथ मी एज जैसे मम्मी और बेटी का रिलेशन होता है। इवन माई स्टडीज वॉज गेटिंग इफेक्टेड। मैं चाहती तो मैं अपना पूरा कंसंट्रेशन पढ़ाई में दे सकती थी, मम्मा को बोल भी सकती थी मम्मा मेरी पढ़ाई है, आई विल नॉट कम, मैं रात को तुम्हारे पास नहीं आऊँगी, कोई मेड रखो या कुछ भी करो, बट मेड वो बेटी का प्यार नहीं दे सकती ना।
जब मेरे इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम्स थी जो हर लेडी को रहता है, मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल का, मतलब जो भी पैड्स वगैरह चेंज करने का काम या मेरे को क्लीन करने का काम वही करती थी। सबसे बड़ा और बहुत ख़राब लगता था जब वो आने वाला होता था तो मुझे इतनी टेंशन आती थी कि मैं अब अपनी लड़की को इसके लिए तंग करूँगी, और सबसे ख़राब मोमेंट मुझे वही लगता था।
ફેટ પીપલ હોય એટલે બધા મશ્કરી કરે તમારી. આઈ લિસન ઓલ ધ ગાલીઝ એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ ફ્રોમ સ્ટ્રીટ પીપલ્સ. કોલેજ લાઈફમાં બહુ પ્રોબ્લેમ થતો હતો મને ક્યારે કોઈ ફ્રેન્ડ સાથે બેસવું હોય એવી ઈચ્છા થાય તો આઈ કાન્ટ સિટ વિથ એનીવન બિકોઝ નો વન નોટ ઇવન ગર્લ્સ ઓલ્સો they feel shame. I stood third in the college but they are no friends. I lost my job because I was fat. I used to, sit with the senior citizens people just to enjoy myself. मैं 35 years थी मैं मारी जातने मिरर में જોઈ નથી.
In that time, one of the kidney was also removed. I was looked after by Dr. Chawla. He told me, you are sitting on a bomb. You can explode any day. Last 10 years in that period, I had gone through many doctors, very big doctors, and with dietitian, I used to come down for some time. I lost 20 kgs. Again, I gained 30 kgs. Again, went to a second doctor. I lost 25 kgs. I gained again the same weight, and I felt bored.
We thought कि सर्जरी से अच्छा हम लोग आयुर्वेदिक कर लेते हैं, आयुर्वेदिक देख लेते हैं, बट इट वॉज ऑफ नो यूज़. हम लोग ने बहुत पैसा खर्चा किया, इंजेक्शंस, मम्मा की दवाइयाँ, ओ माय गॉड. बोलते हैं ना, नॉर्मल इंसान उतनी दवाइयाँ खा ही नहीं सकता है। इट वॉज पूरी मुट्ठी भर भर के दवाइयाँ थी, सिर्फ दवाइयाँ। एक्चुअली वो मुझे गलत लगता था, बट अभी बोलते हैं ना डॉक्टर्स को ज़्यादा पता होता है। आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर। मेरे मामा लोग ने कहा कि उन्हें वहाँ पे एडमिट करना, हमने किया। वहाँ पे उनके मसाजेस 2-3 बार मसाज होता था, हॉट मसाज होता था, इंजेक्शंस दिए जाते थे, दवाइयाँ दी जाती थी। मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि उससे फ़र्क नहीं आया, उससे चेंजेस हुए मम्मी में, लेकिन चेंजेस तब तक ही हो रहे थे जब तक हम लोग ने उन्हें वहाँ पे एडमिट किया हुआ था। जब हम लोग ने वहाँ से उन्हें डिस्चार्ज किया, मेरे भाई की शादी थी तभी, उनकी हालत और ख़राब होती गई। मेरे मामा लोग ने बोला नहीं बस, अब अगर रिस्क है सर्जरी में तो फिर ये रिस्क ले लेते, क्योंकि मम्मी दिन पे दिन मरी जा रही थी।
रायपुर में 3 लोगों ने बैरिएट्रिक सर्जरी करवाया था। एक जेंट्स थे, एक बच्चा था 18 to 19 ईयर्स का, और एक लेडी थी। उन लोगों को हमारे घर में बुलाया ताकि मैं उनसे मिल सकूं और मेरी पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग आ जाए। बहुत अच्छा सा उन लोगों ने रिस्पांस दिया। सबसे पहला रिस्पांस उन लोग ने दिया कि आप दीदी सर्जरी कराइए, आप लाइफ जीने लग जाएंगे। ये लाइफ से तो वो लाइफ 100% अच्छी है, आप एक बार करा के देखिए।
One of my uncle, he suggested me this surgery.
ડૉક્ટર સાહેબને મળવા ગયા, મારા ફેમિલી ડૉક્ટરને લઈને ગયો. ક્વેશ્ચનરી બહુ મોટી બનાવેલી કે આટલા આટલા સવાલના જવાબ આપો સાહેબ અને અમને સંતોષ થાય તો ઓપરેશન કરાવીએ. ડૉક્ટર લાકડાવાળાની શાંતિ અને ધીરજ આ બધું સાંભળીને એટલી બધો સંતોષ થયો કે રિયલી હી ઇઝ ધ જેમ ઓફ અ ડૉક્ટર.
डॉक्टर चावला सेंट मी टू डॉक्टर मुफज्जल लाकड़ावाला। मैं तो एक बार डॉक्टर से मिलके मैंने समझ लिया था कि नथिंग टू वरी, वी हैव टू गो। और मुझे हॉस्पिटल में सिर्फ 1.5 दिन रहना है और 2-4 दिन रेस्ट करके और काम पे लग जाना है। और वाकई वैसे हुआ। मैंने सिर्फ अपने कुटुंब में ये बात बताई और आज तक मतलब लोग पूछते रहे कि भाई ये क्या करवाया तुमने, आपने वज़न कैसे कम किया।
एक लेडी दूसरी लेडी की फीलिंग समझती है, तो डॉक्टर अपर्णा जो है उनसे मैंने अपनी सारी पर्सनल फीलिंग्स और जो मेरी फीलिंग्स थी वो सब मैंने शेयर की।
I think Mamta is probably one of the persons who faced maximum difficulties, not only in terms of personal but physical problems as well. So the first time when she came to our clinic over here, she couldn't even walk. Somebody had to lift her. She had to be brought in on a wheelchair, and after walking 2 steps, she just sat down. She couldn't take the 3rd step forward because it made her so breathless, and it was extremely difficult for her to move. And once she was here, I think more than anything else, it was about making her feel more confident about the surgery and make her feel that she's going to be very safe.
एक नॉर्मल लेडी की बात 1 घंटा तक सुनना, उसको अच्छे से रिस्पांस देना, ये एक प्लस पॉइंट है डॉक्टर अपर्णा का।
We usually don't consider obese people as people who are diseased or who are suffering from some kind of a problem. We normally see it as some kind of physical deformity.
અને સર્જરી થઈ ગઈ, ડન, ફાઇન. બટ ધ 1 year ફર્સ્ટ યર જર્ની ઇઝ સો વન્ડરફુલ કે તમને એ લોકો નેગેટિવ થિંકિંગમાં, હું કમ્પ્લીટલી 100% નેગેટિવ થિંકિંગમાં હતી, એમાંથી આખી ટીમે મને પોઝિટિવ થિંકિંગમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખી. I think in 1 year only.
Most of her issues, like starting, you can see around 4 to 5 sessions with Namrata, were only listening. It was like I sitting like a bin, listening to every of her talks and just taking in. So the sessions, then slowly, as the session went on, as her confidence, as her motivation towards weight loss also started increasing.
She was actually targeting her weight as to lose at 100 kilos more. So that was a really long goal which she could actually have to achieve. So at every follow-up, I made sure that I give her a diet which ideally would help her to lose weight. Again, I pushed her for exercise, which she had to do it at least on a daily basis. I used to call her every 3rd day or 4th day to ask her that whether she's been doing a proper diet, what is told to her, and she's been going to the exercise, to the gym or walks and what I've advised to her.
The surgery probably is just one part of the whole process, because in this after the surgery we're going to change their whole life. So right from their eating habits, their exercise, the way they look at life, psychologically, every way they change a lot. So they become like a different person from what they were before.
मुझे पहले लगता था कि बस अब ये लास्ट ईयर है मेरा, अभी नेक्स्ट दिवाली या नेक्स्ट गणपति में देख पाऊंगी कि नहीं, मैं ऐसे सोचती थी। लेकिन अब मेरे को लगता है कि मैं और 40-50 साल जी सकती हूँ।
And I'll tell you, after the operation, I felt myself, I'm free like a bird. And within a year, all my injections and diabetic medications were stopped 100%.
I think 2 yearsની જર્નીમાં આઈ બિલીવ કે હું આખી નેગેટિવમાંથી પોઝિટિવમાં થઈ ગઈ, કમ્પ્લીટલી ચેન્જ.
मतलब मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो 1.5-2 साल मैं लेट हो गई वो मैं लेडीज़ को एडवाइस करूँगी, अगर वो ऐसी कंडीशन में है तो बिना किसी टेंशन के ये बैरिएट्रिक सर्जरी करा लें ताकि वो अपनी लाइफ जी सकें.
I think I wasted my 39 years for that stupid stuff માં મેં વેસ્ટ કરને का. I'm like, oh God, why?
But now I feel working extra. I climb fast, I can run.
नाउ तो डोंट आस्क मी यहाँ पूरा टाइम मस्ती मस्ती, वो कौन से गाने आते टीवी पे, शील सिंग, शील डांस. नाउ आई गेट इरिटेटेड. ओ मम्मा स्टॉप प्लीज.
He's enjoying wearing all the clothes that he couldn't wear till date, all t-shirts, all jeans, and on the whole he's become much more active. His stamina has increased a lot. He can eat everything now. It's on a scale of 1 to 10, he has taken a 100% improvement.
Pre-surgery she was very much depressed. હવે everybody is welcoming her like anything. She is free with everybody. What she wanted to do, she is doing.
बोलते हैं कि ज़िंदगी एक ही बार मिलती है, लेकिन मुझे दोबारा मिली है डॉक्टर लकड़ावाला के थ्रू, डॉक्टर अपर्णा के थ्रू.
Daily morning, I pray to God and also to Dr. Lakadawala, but he has given me a second life.
Being a doctor or surgeon can never be too easy. Every day you go out to work, you realize that you've got to save somebody's life. And it can never be easy because you have so much knowledge, but you realize that you have very little yet and a lot more to learn. Every day you get up and hope that God gives you that strength to choose the right option, because the options are many and the choices are few. You know, I've done a lot of surgeries, most of them laparoscopic. And at best I can tell you that I've probably decreased their pain or their suffering. But probably never ever managed to change the whole life of a person until I did bariatric surgery. It was only when I did bariatric surgery that I realized that just with the simple option of doing one surgery, I actually put the smile back on somebody's face. I actually prevented someone from thinking that all hope was lost. I actually gave them that light that they were looking at the end of the tunnel. And when I met my wife Priyanka, she told me that what you're doing is actually giving life a second chance for some of these individuals. And that is what I realized I'm doing today. And it's never alone. You're never alone in this whole journey. So to help you, you need a team which is very gifted and which is as dedicated as you, the passion to deliver what I today do believe. So it's time I give back to society what my society and patients have given to me. It's my time to do charity. So I've gone Cinnamon, my friends, colleagues, teachers, I exhort all of y'all to go Cinnamon.
Just say yes to life. Go Cinnamon. Transforming today into a better tomorrow. Go Cinnamon.
Enjoying the joys of life. Go Cinnamon.
Don't worry, be happy. Go Cinnamon.
Where there's a will, there's a way. Go Cinnamon.
Yes, you can. Go Cinnamon.
Be the change that you want to see in the world. as nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Therefore, go cinema.
Give life another chance. Go cinema.